marriage. Who shall be you know Rita marriage? Rita invite me for marriage. What it concern Rita? Much more say a marriage. Yes. Rita do marriage, he invites me. I don't know whether Rita do marriage. They not invite me now. Where we make it? Where we are this your makeup now for marriage. I better go bro. I better make up with dog. We dog bus since. I be here. No, they say we're not going to marriage. Rita invite me for marriage. Not me fair come Nigeria before Rita. I don't know whether Rita they do marriage. It's a mama there. Hey, you know. Oh, 50. Not my the other person, no. So Rita not invite me for marriage, yo. Even since I entered Nigeria, Rita never carry for call me one day. And she never call me one day. I'm not supposed to she won't even invite me for marriage. Rita they don't want to and all that. Anyway, I don't feel talk about Rita beg. I don't feel talk about anybody. I don't feel talk about anybody, you understand? She not invite me, that be the truth. And like I said, she invites me, I forgo. She don't invite me, I'm not important. Yes, so she they do like say best not important for where she did. So that not be anything for where me did too.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. So my correct people, this video today now about Ivie Erio and Rita Ayemiomo TV. So my people, I see one video where Sister Ivie Erio do just now, where she talks say commenters, no commenters, now the way they divert person topic. So one commenter come right say, you dey Nigeria, you not just go Rita marriage. So that you can't talk say marriage. You don't know whether Rita do marriage because Rita not tell her. Because Rita no say in the Nigeria. But Rita no tell her say he want do marriage. So she converse like one talk some kind of thing, then she can't stop, she not gonna talk again, you know. So the thing really vex her, say as two of the play rich, Rita not tell her, and Rita no say now she even reach Nigeria before Rita. So you don't know the reason why Rita not tell her. So make everybody day lay, make everybody day own, you know. So me want just see put my old chikele advice, you know. No, my old chikele contribution. So what me I see for there, Sister Ivie Erio, be say, not be say Sister Rita no want invite you. Like the way me I tell reason I'm now no say this social media, they make everybody they fear now. You don't go even know who you want trust again. If you not notice that for this social media, anybody will don't come your house, anybody will don't play with you for this social media. If any small chikele quarrel just come like this, they'll begin to talk with you they see for your house. They'll begin to talk with they not see and what they see. Some go even go screenshot your house. Some go screenshot your mama. Some go screenshot this one. Now you make everybody they fear now. Not be say for me, I feel say maybe not be say mommy Rita be don't want to invite you. Maybe now those saga because now go they play now. If you just see quarrel small now, one talk or the other will consider the happen. That's why I go there. That's why the family of the man not be like this. That's so this, you know, everybody just can't be careful. And you know, say she get many enemy now for social media. We understand my people. And when I say look on my own side though. Not be say maybe I dey join Sister Rita or I dey join Sister Ivie Erio. No, I just dey talk and generally like what they happen for social media now. Not they make anybody want even trust anybody. Even your own sister self, you don't even trust them again. You don't go fit tell president and that make you come your house. If you come your house now, you can't talk one thing. That's why now so your house not fine. Now so you do this one. Now so you not do this one. So the thing they make everybody they fear now for social media. So I believe say maybe I still cause and waste Rita not still tell you say may you come in marriage. Maybe it might be because this time we did now one have to be careful, you know. So that be the thing. So Sister Ivie Erio may not vex for that kind of thing. Say she not tell you, you not stop too often and not to play, you not stop too often and not to talk to each other. She gets her own reasons, you know, because this social media, the big person fear now. Social media, now your sister go even come your house. Now social media now go here. You this one a social media. So everybody they look for what they want to use, because as they don't see the family member now of the man, all of them want member for social media. I don't have the topic now what they do for social media now. Everybody wants to see the family of the man, and she don't want me they see him, and me I like him like that, because if they see another go is that they will put fake account, then go be their next topic. And I know say many jobless people this social media will not they work morning to evening, and a live video night they sleep. One don't see the live video night in the morning. Who they work since now go get this social media in the morning. So my people, so all of them they look for topic where they want to talk. So one person if he can't come the marriage now, you go screenshot the picture of the family of the man carry come social media. They go say I got the marriage. That's why I get recording. That's why I get this. So I believe say like because I waste Rita just sit there careful. She not tell anybody. Just want me everybody just see him like this, you know. So it's like very real. Me you see take am easy. You know invite you know stop talk for not to play. So that's why me see am will not be everything that they do saga for social media. So to my people, anything you wanna think about the video, make una leave on a comment for the comment section. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Marriage. Who shall be you know Rita marriage? Rita invite me for marriage. What it concern Rita? Much more say a marriage. Yes. Rita do marriage. He invites me. I don't know whether Rita do marriage. They not invite me now. Where we make it? Kuna mana tell me where we are. But this your makeup now for marriage. I better go, bro. I better make up with dog bus bus since. I be here. When they say why not going to marriage, Rita invite me for marriage. Not me fake on Nigeria before Rita. I don't know whether Rita they do marriage. It's a mama there. Hey, you know. How? 50. Not my the other person, no. So Rita not invite me for marriage, though. Even since I entered Nigeria, she never carry for call me one day. And she never call me one day. I'm not supposed to she won't even invite me for marriage. Where Rita they don't want to and all that. Anyway, I don't feel talk about Rita beg. I don't feel talk about anybody. I don't feel talk about anybody. You understand? She not invite me. That be the truth. And like I said, she invites me. I forgo. She don't invite me. I'm not important. Yes, so she they do like say person not important for where she did. So that not be anything for where me day too. May everybody did their day. Can I want to you call Nigeria, never carry for come and say they do marriage. I beg everybody did their day. I beg you. Not get anybody time again. Now my dear, just anybody not write anybody matter. I just don't know my thing. You understand? First way call Nigeria call do, I don't even know whether she even do Nigeria herself. First way she call Nigeria call do marriage. At least you don't see your sister, your friend in Nigeria or any way she still see me. She did Nigeria, she they call do marriage. I did Nigeria since more than 3 weeks. She's supposed to call me say, my sister, they come Nigeria, I didn't or as she call. Or before she would do the marriage, she go still tell me say, I did do marriage, tomorrow be my marriage. I go ready go. I'm not supposed to even stay since. Engineer, this is my engineer did there. Go see. My engineer did there. Go see my engineer for there. You understand? Now so you ready? Destiny. I did do my thing. Get anybody time again. Everybody they go there go. Everybody go there go. I don't get time. Everybody go there go. You should not get anything from minds. You did Nigeria, you do marriage, you not fit call me. And let me say, we not at the same level. Maybe she can learn now. Not today. I mean, she could learn. I will go my buyer.